Alright, so I've been pretty lazy. This fucking sway bar end link or whatever is inner tie rod, sway bar end link, something like that, is not coming off, right? It's got this little thing in here and it just spinning. I explained this in one of my bike videos, but that side's all off and ready to go. This is the only thing holding me up from dropping the subframe and getting this cleaned off and painting it. Then we're gonna get this dropped, get it all cleaned off, and we'll paint it with the 415 and all that stuff over there. And then, yeah, this will be done. And we have to order a few suspension pieces, and then the suspension will be fully complete, and this whole area will be done inside of the engine bay, and we'll be good to go. So that's what we're gonna do to finish off this video. We're gonna cut that off, and then we're gonna get to cleaning this up with the wire brush and all of that. It's been a long process. It's been like 3 weeks. We had the 4th of July. I've been busy just kind of with work and everything else in life, so it's just been, again, put to the side, which is unfortunate. I hate that I put it to the side, because if I didn't put it to the side, it would already be fucking done. I've just, like I said, been lazy, and literally this whole engine and this whole subframe should be put together. It should be done, should have been ready. All we should have had to do is get the suspension pieces that I didn't have money for at the time. So I've been lazy. It's my own fault. Let's get back into it. Enough middle of the video rant. Alright, so we got it cut. It's good there. But the bolts that are holding the subframe on to the front here, they don't want to come off. These are actually welded on top, and then the bottoms are on super tight. So it's kind of something I don't know if I necessarily want to fuck with now at this point. I did, you know, initially want to just take it off, but we'd probably be able to just get away with taking the wire wheel brush and just hitting these spots, since everything's gone, with it on the car here, and then painting it and doing all that stuff here while it's on the car. So that's probably what we're gonna do. I might just WD-40 these and let it sit for a minute and see if we can get it off before I admit defeat completely, but that's where my head's at, so. There you go.
We'll see if I can get
Dude, that's the one I'm scared about, because it's all fucking new fuck.
Alright, let's see how fuckity fuck she is.
Worst case, I can get a new.
Oh, it's not.
I mean, it's not bad. You can definitely probably, there's a rubber mat. You can probably get it on. I'm probably just gonna have to get a new, because these are like fucking welded up here on this.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
I don't want it to like turn on it. No, I did.
That's what I'm saying, dude.
Yeah.
She's figgity fucked now, yeah?
Yeah, she's pretty fucked. She was done fucked before.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying.
You can cut it off. Not the stud, but the bolt.
With what?
Is my grinder in there? My cutoff wheel in there? That's all bad.
This thing, there's a bunch of fucking wheels, but there's, I don't know.
No, it's not.
Try to twist it with like pliers or some shit, maybe?
Yeah.
Third drawer. Oh shit! Thick Rickle, the Dickle Master got it. Look at him. Oh my god.
The fuck did you just call me?
Thick Rickle, the Dickle Master. I don't fucking know. Thick Rick, the Dick Master. Fuck yeah, bud. Thank you, Eric.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna have to practice with that little grinding.
You just gotta go a little bit by a little bit. But you do that to release the tension. A lot of people will do like a slit in it.
Yeah, that's what
But then you end up cutting into the threads if you're not careful.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. That's what I thought you were gonna do. I didn't.
No, I shave it down to release the tension on it, and it'll normally just come right out.
I mean, it did come right off, so. Hell yeah, brother.
Attach. Then just give her a little
Yeah, I mean, it's just the stud here, it looks like.
It might just be seized on because that's where that rust is. It might just be.
It is very crusty down here.
It just needs some more hits. It was coming down as I was hitting.
I need to move my fucking my drive shaft is in the way.
Did you disconnect your steering?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's not the side that it's stuck on.
No, this your steering rack from your steering column.
Yeah, you can see it. It's already done. I don't know how.
It's still bolted on in the back.
No. Alright, so we got it loose. And all I did was hammer it basically. And yeah. Now we need to. I need to figure out how to get this drive shaft out of the way really quick, actually. I got my, see if I can get a good picture of it. I got my Medina Motorsports shirt. Shout out Justin. Will this now please drop out? Oh my God. Why is this being like this? You know what I'm thinking? We should probably actually draw a mark really quick. Should be good enough, eh? God damn. Apparently I need to take this all the way off. Okay. Holy shit. Now we can push this back up into the car where it fucking belongs. God damn. Well, not the boot, not the boot. Oh my, okay, everything is a mess. We're gonna have to redo some shit. Yeah, okay. We did it. We got this subframe down. That was 13 minutes. All the other footage is probably like another hour and a half. Nothing like putting shit together and then taking it all apart to just clean it. But this section down here is crusty and rusty, and I definitely am glad I took it off to get this top half and to kind of do any of these sections on the body down here that might be funky as well. Yeah, so I don't know, this might be the end of the video. We might do some work on it. It'll probably end up being the next video where we do a time lapse of me just cleaning this off. I'm not gonna record it. We're gonna time lapse me. Like, I got the wire brush to clean it up with that, and probably degrease it again, just to degrease it again. And I have another one of those pads to scrape everything up with, and we're gonna get that set. We'll probably do some type of underbody spray along the lines down here. We might touch the paint up around here, not really sure yet. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. We're gonna try to get back on a consistent schedule again. Peace.